Hi, to move icons between screens on your iPhone 16e, first thing you're gonna do is to select an icon you wanna move. For example, let's move this iMovie app. For that, I need to press and hold it like this, so everything will start shaking. And now we can just hold the app and drag it across the border to move to any page we want to, or even to app library. So let me show you it again. Now we need to simply drop it on any page like this. And this is how you move icons. You can do the same with those icons on the bottom, like that. And then simply click down button to save changes. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.